Hello, my snork friends. I hope you're all doing well. I'm here on the mothership. It is April 21st. Today is my 42nd day of sheltering at home. But let me tell you, my social calendar has been exploding. This weekend, I attended 2 Zoom cocktail parties, 2 family reunions, a game night, and in the middle of all that, I found time to groom the dog, which did not go well. I filmed it with every intention of sharing that with you, but that's some footage that's never going to see the light of day. I will let you see a photo, screenshot. But she doesn't look that bad, but she does have a bald patch on her leg, for which I feel bad. So today our little chit chat is going to focus on Zoom, how to use it and what not to do. Think of it as a public service announcement. First of all, when you're talking on Zoom, you don't need to yell, and you can back off the mic, okay? We've kind of gotten into the habit of yelling because now when we talk to someone who is not in the same room with us, we are doing it through a mask from at least 6 feet away. So we've gotten into the habit of yelling instead of talking. It's kind of yawking. You don't have to do that on Zoom. You can just speak in a normal tone of voice, and we'll all be happy for that. And over-talking. If you're at a real cocktail party and somebody interjects something, it just kind of goes into the air, and you could choose to ignore it, or you could focus on it. But on a Zoom call, when someone over-talks someone else, they cut off that person's microphone. I don't know if you know that, but yeah. So how do I say this in a kind way? You don't have to say every thought that crosses your mind. You don't. You can just let other people talk. And while we're on the subject, if you're not talking, you could put your phone, your microphone on mute. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Because we can hear everything. And I mean everything. And if you're the host and someone on the call is making sounds, just mute them. So let's talk about eating and drinking on a Zoom call. Sometimes it's necessary, but you can lean out of the frame while you're shoving that meatball sub into your gaping maw. We don't really need to see that. And you can certainly mute your mic while you're crunching on your grape nuts or slurping your cocktails, because nobody needs to hear that. And on my very best day, I have to say, I can't bear the sound of other people chewing. Newsflash, these are not my best days. So cut your mic when you're chewing. I would really appreciate it. That'd be great. Children. We all love children. Children they're beautiful. And nothing beats the sound of a giggling child. I could listen to that all day. It's like music to my ears. When you're on a Zoom call or a conference, maybe you could ask them not to practice the drums for 10 minutes while you're on the call, or an hour, or however long it's going to take. That would be great. The tantrums, kids have them. Again, you can mute your mic till that rides itself out. Yeah. For some of us, it's just chaos. Not all calls are like this. Surprisingly, it doesn't matter the number of people who are on the call. I was on a call this weekend with my husband's side of the family. Actually, my father-in-law's side of the family, to be more specific. And we had people on the call from Arizona, New York, New Jersey, Florida, Georgia, Paris, and Australia. That was a lot of people. It went so smoothly. But then I've been on other calls that are maybe 5 or 6 people, and it's total chaos. Everyone's talking over each other. People are making sounds that they probably don't realize we are hearing and should not be making them or muting. And I get sensory overload. I'm delicate. What can I say? So I have to get off the call. And there are a number of ways to do this. The way I've been doing it, I realize makes no sense, and eventually somebody's going to figure me out. What I say is, hey guys, it's really been great to see everybody, but I got to run, got to go. Love you, bye. Now, if anyone were actually listening or paying attention, they would know I'm not going anywhere. I'm lying. Because where am I going? There's nowhere to go. I'm on lockdown. So I've come up with a few alternatives. You could try this. Hey guys, listen, I have to go walk the dog. It was great seeing everybody. I'm gonna say bye. Okay, bye. Click, end meeting. Or you could try this one. Hey guys, my groceries were just delivered. I have to disinfect everything and put it away. So I'll catch you next time, okay? Great, thank you, bye-bye. That's fair. You can make yourself sound like an angel of mercy. Hey guys, listen, I promised to go check on my neighbor at this time, so I didn't realize the call was gonna run over, so I have to run, all right? I'll see ya. Bye, good seeing everybody. That's a good one. And you know, listen, go check on your neighbor. That would be the nice thing to do. You could try this one. Hey, listen, I have another Zoom call and I was hoping to grab something to eat real quick in between, so I'm gonna have to run, but it was great seeing everybody. Okay, bye. And if you run out of options, you can always blame the glitch. Because a glitch is something that there's no answer for. There is no cure for the glitch. I can't turn on my video. I don't know. And I can't even hear you guys. Can you hear me? Shake your heads if you can hear me. Okay. Well, I don't know. It must be some kind of a glitch. I have used the glitch when I'm just not camera ready and I don't feel like putting it out there. So I hope you find these tips helpful, and I hope you're staying safe. And it was nice talking at ya. I'll see you next time.